Today, I'm making a super simple macrame wreath. Some assembly required. Hello! Today's project is simple, but cute, just the way we like it. One of the nice things about it is that the materials can very easily be switched out for something you have on hand or something that you can find a little bit easier at a local store. Let's do it! Here is what I'm working with. The first main ingredient is some sort of ring. I'm using this wooden ring that's about 2.5 inches in diameter. You could also use a shower curtain ring, key ring, tiny picture frame, cardboard, a slice of toilet paper tube, anything roundish with a hole in the middle. The other main ingredient is some sort of stringy thing. I am using green macrame cord, but you could replace it with yarn, ribbon, roving, strips of fabric, anything like that. I am also using a wooden bead, about 3/4 of an inch in diameter, and some ribbon. They're not really necessary, I just think they're kind of fun. And finally, a ruler or measuring tape, scissors, and a comb. The first thing I'll do is measure and cut all my macrame cords. For this cord and ring combination, I'll need about 21 pieces that are around 6.5 inches long. If you like, you can cut them longer, but I wouldn't make them too much shorter or they might not tie on very well. You can always trim them later. Now that I've cut all the cord, I will tie each strand onto the circle using a lark's head knot. Fold the cord in half and place the folded side under the ring. Pull the loopy side up through the ring and bring the cord ends through that loop. Pull on the ends to tighten the knot. The ends should be sticking out at the outside of the ring. And then it's time for many more knots. This is a good way to practice your lark's head knots. Just remember to always start them with your cord under the ring so they all look the same at the end. There! All the cords are attached. Now I'll attach the ribbon. This part is totally optional. You can just use another piece of macrame cord or whatever you used for your cords if you would prefer. I'm going to cut the ribbon to, about 14 inches and then use a little thread to help me get the bead on there. Now, one more lark's head knot and it's attached. I'll tie a little knot at the end to help hang it up. Now, this could be it, but I like to do one more thing. Comb it to make it floofy. Ta-da! Now, at this point you could trim it to make it round and smooth, or you can make it a little wild and uneven, whichever you like. You can also decide if you like this flatter side of the knot in the front, or this bumpier side. I think I like the flat side. So here it is, simple and pretty. Ta-da! I like how easy it is. I also like that you can really easily change it around to fit your style just by substituting different materials. You could even glue some decorations on there. Cute! I made these with the Girl Scouts the other day, and the only problem that they were having was sometimes the knots would come loose. So if that's happening to yours, you can just run a little line of glue at the edge of the knots here, and there you go. Nice and secure. Thanks for watching! Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome. And I'll see you then. Bye!